Hey illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a robot. So let's get started. Okay illustrators, here we go with our robot drawing. First things first, the head of our robot. And that is going to be a rectangle. Our robot is going to be very, very boxy. The neck also boxy, two little lines here. And the body will be a square. Next, we're going to work on the arms and the legs. The arms, sticking with our boxy trend here. First part of each arm comes out this way. And we'll use another rectangle for the forearm. This one we're going to curve just a little bit. We're going to move into a few more curved lines for the hands here. 1 and 2. And now for the legs. We're going to use a couple of curved lines for this leg and a couple of curved lines for this leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 upside down letter U's for the feet of our robot. And we'll finish those off with 2 slightly curved lines at the bottom. This gives a little bit of dimension to our robot. Okay, now we get to start working on the details, which I love. Okay, we want 2 really big circles for our robot's eyes. 1 and 2. Tiny oval for the robot's nose. And a little curved line for robot's smile right here. All right, now we're going to add pupils. So we'll just create 2 circles within those larger circles. And if you are going to fill in your pupils, be sure to leave a little spot of that paper showing through to add the eye highlight. Now we'll work on the ear details. We're going to have 2 lines that angle diagonally and then connect and then add a little dome. And we'll do the same thing on the other side for the other ear. 1, 2, 3, 4. I love when robots have like antennas coming up out of their heads, so we're going to do 2 antennas. And they don't have to match. In illustration, it's always really nice when you can keep things askew, kind of change things up a little bit. And we'll add a few finishing details to the center of our robot here. This is a great space to create whatever you want. I'm going to put a little dial with like an arrow here and a couple buttons. If you have a different idea, go for it. You can add whatever type of details you would like to the center of your robot. And now we'll add a few details here at the bottom. I think robots would travel with items like we do, but they would have different items than what we have. We take like snacks, extra shoes. I feel like robots would travel with tools. So a little tape measure. Oh, definitely a wrench. They would definitely carry a wrench. We can add a little three-dimensional quality to objects by essentially repeating the bottom edge line, just like we've done here. Very, very cool trick. And they would definitely need to take a screwdriver. Okay, so there we have our robot. And now it's time to add color. So you may grab colored pencils, crayons, markers, anything that you would like to color with. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our robot. The last step we have to do is sign them, since artists should always sign their work. Great job today, illustrators! If you would like to share your drawings with me, feel free to tag me at artwithashleyb on Instagram. I would love to see them. If you enjoyed yourself today, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for so many more fun illustrations coming your way. I'll see you next time.